Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking a look at Westmade wallets. Let's check them out. But before we get started, that's right, I have another giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out which one of these I'm giving away. All right, so let's take this out of the box here. So this one is the Westmade Aero T wallets. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of this, and while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. So the Westmade Aero wallet is available in 3 different models. There's the Aero wallet, the Aero T, and the Aero X. And each model is available in 3 different colors: black, gray, or OD green. And there's also a version of the Aero wallet that's carbon fiber. Each Westmade wallet has an inner plate made of carbon fiber and an outer plate made of textured G10. It can hold between 1 to 6 credit cards and can hold US bills right here under this elastic money strap on the back. Each Westmade wallet is RFID protected, so you don't have to worry about credit card skimmers while your cards are in this wallet. And Westmade wallets are sourced, CNC machined, and assembled in Vancouver, Washington. Alright, so that's enough of the quick features. Let's talk dimensions. Alright, so the Westmade Aero wallet comes in at 2.25 inches by 3.45 inches by 0.26 inches thick. And according to my weight test, it comes in at 1.2 ounces. That's 34 grams. Alright, so I'll give you guys a closer look at the 2 Westmade wallets that I have right here. This one is OD green and is the Aero T. This one is the black version and is the Aero X. Now the only version that I don't have is the plain Aero version, and the only differences I can see is it just doesn't have the cutouts here. It's just flat across G10. And yes, I do have the gray color, but I'll save that for the end of the video. Hint. So since there's no other differences between these 2 models other than the design cutouts right here, I'll just concentrate on the Aero T right here in OD green. So each Westmade Aero wallet consists of a carbon fiber inner plate and a textured G10 outer plate. And let me tell you, this textured G10 is extremely grippy, which I really appreciate because holding this, it doesn't feel like it's just gonna slip out of your hand. It's that grippy. And the carbon fiber and G10 plates are all held together by these black stainless steel Torx screws. And check this out, if I pry open the wallet a little bit, you can see that the entire inside plate there is all carbon fiber. It's pretty awesome. And then both plates are held together by this elastic strap that doubles as a money strap. And this is the part that's pretty unique about this wallet. It has this cash cutout groove right here where you can securely store your bills. So if I get in real close here, you can see it's indented right there, and your bills will be held securely into place by this elastic strap, and they'll sit flush with this G10 top plate, but that is depending on how many bills you have tucked under here. And then it has a thumb notch right here where you can either use it to push up your cards or pull up your cards as so. And I found it works pretty great either way. And because this is a sandwich style wallet that has 2 plates held together with a piece of elastic, you can carry either 1 card or up to 6 cards, and it should work well either way. Now it should be noted, yes, I did say that it has a thumb notch right here where you can push up or pull, but the intention of this wallet is to insert your cards from the top here and use this thumb notch to push up, because this is where the little grooves are to easily insert your cards. And if you turn it around to this side, it does not have those grooves, so it's a lot easier to insert your cards from the top here. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here, so you can see it just easily accepts my credit card, no problem at all. But once your card is in there, you can either push up like this or just turn it around, grab it from the top. Either way works. So now let's get the other 5 cards in there. I have 3 demo and 2 embossed. I'm just gonna stick them in there all at once, see if that works. And yeah, no problem. All right, so right there is the 6 cards they say is the maximum, but it should be noted it says 6 plus cards on the website. So for me personally, I carry 7 cards, so I'm gonna be in that 6 plus category, and it shouldn't be any issues at all getting more than 6 cards in this wallet, obviously. So right now I have 7, and just for the heck of it, let's put in 3 more, and yeah, not a problem at all. So right now I have a total of 10 cards in the Westmade wallet. But for me personally, I would probably stick to 7 cards or under just to get the maximum amount of life out of this piece of elastic here. So what about carrying cash? Let's talk about that for a second. So as I mentioned before, it has this little cutout groove here to carry your bills. Now it should be noted that this is specifically designed to carry US dollars. So if you carry dollar bills that are larger than a US bill, it just won't fit. Also, based on the shape of this cutout, your bills have to be folded into quarters. If you like to fold your bills into thirds or half, once again, they just won't fit in this cutout. So I have my bills folded into quarters here. Just lift up on that cash strap right there and check that out, see? Fits in absolutely perfect in that little groove. So this is what I was mentioning earlier about the cash sitting flush with that G10 top plate. And the more bills you add, it's just gonna bulge up more. This is 2 bills, sits in perfectly. Now I did have one issue with this little cutout groove here. Because I only have 2 bills in there and it sits flush with this top plate, it was a little difficult to get my bills out. But if you lift up on this elastic strap, shouldn't have any issues at all, as you can see right there. But overall, I really like the functionality of this wallet. I think Westmade had a great idea with trying something somewhat original with a not so original design. Because we've all seen this sandwich style wallet held together by elastic before, but I really like what they did with this design with the carbon fiber inner plate, the G10 outer plate, which I absolutely love, and this little cutout groove in the back to help keep your bills nice and secure. And I can see why Westmade went with this style wallet because the functionality is spot on. Just push your cards up with the thumb slot, use the fan method, take out whatever cards you need. Functionality is fine. And I really like the fact that they gave us this little card groove right here. I see a lot of sandwich style wallets without this card groove, and it just doesn't make sense to me just because kind of a pain in the butt to get your cards in there. But just with the simple addition of that card groove makes it extremely easy to get your cards in this wallet. All right, so what do I like about the Westmade Aero T and the Aero X wallets? First, I love the fact that it has a carbon fiber inner plate and a G10 outer plate. And this G10 texturing is awesome. It's just a very grippy wallet. I like the fact that since it's held together by elastic, you can hold between 1 and 10 credit cards in here without a problem. I like that they included the card groove right here to easily insert your cards. And also I really like this cash groove in the back. It's a pretty good idea. And what's not to like about Westmade sourcing, CNC machining, and assembling everything right here in the USA? Alright, so what don't I like about the Westmade Aero wallets? Honestly, not much. I guess if I had to pick a negative, it would be if you only have a few bills in this little cash groove cutout right here. Sometimes it's difficult to get your bills up without lifting up the elastic piece here. But as I just said, I just solved my own problem by lifting the elastic and taking it out. So not really a big issue at all. Just a slight inconvenience. So would I recommend the Aero X and the Aero T wallet by Westmade? Absolutely, especially at their price point. Both of these wallets are $54.99. Based on what you're getting, carbon fiber and G10, I think it's a great deal. All right, guys, it's giveaway time. So let's take a look at the wallet that I'm giving away here. And it is the Westmade Aero T version in gray. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the gray wallet, and I think this looks great. Put them all side by side here. You can see the color differences with the OD green, gray, and black. So how do you win the gray Aero T right here by Westmade? Super simple. Number 1, you have to be subscribed to this channel. Number 2, you have to like this video. And number 3, you have to comment on this video. And yes, I am allowing everyone to comment up to 5 times, which counts as 5 entries. And once I hit 500 comments, I'm giving this bad boy away. Also, I'll put all the rules down below in my description box. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Westmade Aero T and the Westmade Aero X wallets? Now, if you guys want to check these out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment for a chance to win this bad boy right here. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!